Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the remaining problems in exercise 2 from the chapter addition and subtraction and their applications. The question is, find profit or loss. Cost price is rupees 12,500, overheads rupees 1,000, selling price 13,595. Now we have to find the total cost price. Overhead is given, so first we have to find the total cost price. Total cost price is equal to cost price plus overheads. Cost price is equal to rupees 12,500 plus rupees 1,000. Now we will get rupees 13,500. This is the total cost price. Selling price is equal to rupees 13,595. Now we have to compare these two. Which is greater? Selling price is greater than the total cost price. Selling price is greater than the total cost price. So, profit. To find the profit amount, profit is equal to selling price minus total cost price. Selling price amount is rupees 13,595 minus rupees 13,500. Now we have to subtract 13,595 minus 13,500. 5 minus 0, 5, 9 minus 0, 9, 5 minus 5, 0, 3 minus 3, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So, the profit is rupees 95. Is it clear, children? Shall we go to the next one? Here, cost prices rupees 20,445, overheads rupees 500, selling price is equal to rupees 19,995. Now we have to find the total cost price because overheads is given. So total cost price is equal to cost price plus overheads, which is equal to rupees 20,445 plus rupees 500. Now we will get rupees 20,945. This is the total cost price. Now we have to compare the total cost price with selling price. Selling price is rupees 19,995. Which is greater? Total cost price is greater than selling price. So total cost price is greater than selling price. So loss. To find the loss amount, we have to subtract the selling price from the total cost price. Total cost price minus selling price. Total cost price is rupees 20,945 minus rupees 19,995. Now we have to subtract 20,945 minus 19,995. 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 9, we can't subtract, so we have to borrow from 9. 9 will become 8, 4 will become 14. 14 minus 9, 5. 8 minus 9, we can't subtract 9 from 8, so we have to borrow. The next number is 0, so we have to borrow from 2. 2 will become 1, 0 will become 9, 8 will become 18. 18 minus 9, 9. 9 minus 9, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So last amount is rupees 950. Is it clear, children? Shall we go to the next one? Balan bought a music system for rupees 7,500. He did not like it and he sold it for rupees 6,995. Did he make profit or loss? How much? Here, Balan bought a music system for 7,500. That is the cost price of the music system. He sold it for rupees 6,995. That is selling price of the music system. Now we have to find profit or loss. Solution: cost price of the music system is equal to rupees 7,500. Selling price of the music system is equal to rupees 6,995, which is greater. Cost price is greater than selling price. So loss. To find the loss amount, we have to subtract selling price from the cost price. Cost price is equal to rupees 7,500 minus selling price rupees 6,995. So we have to subtract 7,500 minus 6,995. Subtracted 0 minus 5. We can't subtract, so we have to borrow. The next number is 0, so we have to borrow from 5. 5 will become 4. 0 will become 9. This 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5. 5. 9 minus 9. 0. 4 minus 9. We can't subtract, so we have to borrow. 7 will become 6. 4 will become 14. 14 minus 9. 5. 6 minus 6. 0. So last amount is rupees 505. So the answer, he made 505 rupees loss. Is it clear, children? Shall we go to the next one? Peter bought a plot of land for rupees 75,000. He spent rupees 35,000 on building a boundary wall around the plot. Then he sold the land for rupees 1,50,000. Find his profit or loss. Here, Peter bought a plot of land for rupees 75,000. That is the cost price of the land. He spent rupees 35,000 on building a boundary wall. So that is overheads. Then he sold the land for rupees 1,50,000. That is the selling price of the land. Now we have to find profit or loss. Here overhead is given. So first we have to find the total cost price. Solution: cost price of the land is equal to rupees 75,000. Then overheads is equal to rupees 35,000. Now we have to find the total cost price. So we have to add these two. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 0 here, 1 carry over, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So 1,10,000. This is the total cost price. Now the selling price of the land is land is equal to rupees 1,50,000. Now we have to compare these two. Which is greater? Selling price is greater than total cost price. So, profit. To find the profit amount, we have to subtract the total cost price from the selling price. The selling price minus total cost price. Selling price is rupees 1,50,000 minus total cost price is rupees 1,10,000. Now we have to subtract these two. 1,50,000 minus 1,10,000. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 1, 4, 1 minus 1, 0. So, profit amount is rupees 40,000. So, we have to write the answer. Peter's profit is equal to rupees 40,000. Is it clear, children? Shall we go to the next one? The next question is, a carpenter bought a table for rupees 3,500. He spent rupees 500 on repairing and painting it. Then he sold it for rupees 3,500. What was his profit or loss? Carpenter bought a table for rupees 3,500. That is the cost price of the table. He spent rupees 500. That is overheads. Then he sold it for rupees 3,500. That is the selling price. First we have to find the total cost price. So, cost price of the table is equal to rupees 3,500. Overheads is equal to rupees 500. Now we have to add 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 0 here, 1 carry over, then 1 plus 3, 4. So, this is the total cost price. Now, selling price of the table is rupees 3,500, which is greater. The total cost price is greater than selling price. Total cost price is greater than selling price. So, loss. Now we have to find the loss amount. Loss is equal to total cost price minus selling price. Total cost price is rupees 4,000 minus selling prices rupees 3,500. Now we have to subtract 4,000 minus 3,500. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 5 we can't subtract, so we have to borrow. 4 will become 3, 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5, 5, 3 minus 3, 0. So the last amount is rupees 500. So answer rupees 500 was loss for him. Is it clear, children? Okay. Thank you. See you in the next class.